Okay, so now there is no more filament, it has run out. Okay, so what Cassandra is doing right now is that she is extruding the filament that is in the tube, and why we can't pull it out from the back is because there is nothing to pull from the back, right? It's too far in already. So therefore she needs to extrude it out.
Okay, so in order to actually do this, okay, so instead of changing the material, we insert the material instead, because by changing the material you have to remove the material, but that is only if you have leftover from the back. Alright, so if there isn't any leftover from the back, okay, then we will do the inserting of the material. So go to advanced, okay, you will go into insert of material. So when you press insert of material, okay, they will start heating up the print head, okay, for material insertion. Alright, so once it actually heat up, okay, you will start extruding and all this thing. Then from there, okay, we will make sure, okay, we cut this, the new filament, alright, using a cutter. Let's cut the head for 45 degrees.
Why must be 45 degrees?
For 45 degrees because when you actually insert the filament into this area, okay, then it will bite. Yeah. So once you are ready, so you just put this filament right to this direction, so that when you insert right to the hole over here.
Angle. Okay.
Okay, so this hole, okay, your filament has to go into this hole. Okay, when you go in, press this button upwards, push up, and then you will feel that it is biting on the filament and it starts inserting.
Okay. Sorry, which button was it? Ah, okay, I see it.
Yeah.
So once it bites, you don't need to keep on pulling up the button.
Yes, correct. So the main thing is to let it bite in and then go further in. So if let's say it is not doing it accurately, right, you will just cut off and then you will just reinsert the tape. Make sure that it's 45 degrees.
So you don't have to wait for the old filament to fully extrude out before you do this?
Don't have to. So as long as it insert right, it will start pushing off the old filament. So once you finish off right, then you press ready to forward this whole material.
Okay.
Yeah, unless here is all empty, then we will straight away we will fast forward the whole process.
Okay. So is it biting already?
Not yet.
Okay,
Yeah,
say again.
so once you actually put it up, right, okay, this whole filament, the new filament will actually go in, okay, through here, and then up to the tube, pushing the old one out. Then when the old one, it start extruding. So once you finish extruding, the old one finish off, then you will press ready,
So
just to forward this whole new filament up.
So we have to wait here until the old filament is fully extruded.
Yep.
Once we see it's fully extruded, then we select ready.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So now it's just waiting game.
Yeah.
Okay. So we don't really see the black anymore.
So there will be a color change after that, right?
And once we see the color change, we know that we can hit the ready.
Okay, it will become lighter because of the metallic.
So this is gray
so
now.
we will put ready. So it will actually fast forward. Okay, so once you fast forward, right? Okay, by right you will actually feel it. Okay, then they will slow down the process, make sure everything is good. Yeah, so just wait until the whole material will extrude even more. Then from there, right, okay, then you'll just click ready, just to stop the whole process. Then you're done.
Okay. So we're done.
Yep.
Alright, cool.